Welcome to our YouTube channel, Nirantara. Forever connected. Like, share, and subscribe to my channel.
TikTok's store market is a showcase for reasonable items from China. Lots of the listings, together with a finances planner and a waist trainer vest, say they are shipped from China. The place TikTok's guardian firm, ByteDance Limited, is predicated. For more details, visit the link provided in the description. Dutch designer Paul Helbers is gearing up for Form's runway debut at New York Vogue Week. Helbers has designed menswear for Martin Margiela, Louis Vuitton and The Row. The label is known for its understated magnificence, known as minimalism. For more details, visit the link provided in the description. Shahidul Islam was set upon by a bunch of males, based on a translation of a police grievance filed by his union and reviewed by BOF. As they beat him unconscious, the boys jibbed at Islam over his efforts to save the employees' pay. He died in hospital later that night time. For more details, visit the link provided in the description. Alfred Van Cleef and Estelle Arpels opened the French Maison in 1906 in Paris' first arrondissement. Whimsical designs, which gained a loyal following from the likes of Princess Grace of Monaco and Elizabeth Taylor, took cues from the cosmos, natural world and mythology. For more details, visit the link provided in the description. Stuart Weavers celebrated 10 years at the Hem of Coach with a party. The event was held at the flagship location of the town's public library. Jennifer Lopez, Lil Nas X and Camila Mendes were among the guests. Weavers' present was meant to seize the archetypes of New York style. For more details, visit the link provided in the description. Peter Du, 32, moved to Philadelphia from Vietnam as an adolescent. After successful the LVMH Graduate Prize in 2014, he skilled within the studios of Phoebe Philo at Celine and Derek Lam earlier than starting his own label in 2018. I simply really feel like greater than ever we would like non-fussy clothes, Du mentioned in an interview forward of the present. For more details, visit the link provided in the description. The enterprise of Vogue is happy to announce the newest group of confirmed audio system at BOF Voices 2023. The event unites the movers, shakers and trailblazers of the worldwide style, luxurious and wonder industries with the thought leaders and entrepreneurs shaping the broader world. For more details, visit the link provided in the description. He recalled going to the present along with his mother and father, who had a gross sales space. My dream was to promote to the Harry Winstons, the Tiffany's, the Cartiers of the world, Mr. Bindra mentioned. For more details, visit the link provided in the description. Annika Inez Wikström was born and raised in Malmö, Sweden. Her jewelry is rendered principally in silver, often plated with 14-karat gold, however sometimes 10-karat. The coronary heart assortment, the model's finest vendor, features rings, necklaces, earrings and brooches. For more details, visit the link provided in the description. Treasures of Gold and Silver Wire, scheduled to open September 29 on the Guildhall Artwork Gallery in London and run by November 12. The exhibition has been deliberate to have a good time, the 400th anniversary of the worshipful firm of gold and silver wire drawers. For more details, visit the link provided in the description.
Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel.